Now, good morning, my dear students. Today we start here class 5th exercise 4.8, and this chapter is fraction. I told you what is the definition of fraction, and today we start here 4.8 exercise. In this exercise, I will tell you how we do the multiply. How do we the multiply of these numbers? So first question, second, third, fifth, seventh, and this question is eighth question. Now, my dear students, and question number B is also multiply 4 upon 9. In this question here only 50, 24, 100 numbers are given here. But in this question number B, here rupees 63, 48 kilometers, 300 kilometers. So first we solve in this question. Here how we do the multiply? Now, look at here, try to understand, my dear students. 1 upon 2 multiply by 50. Look at here, 1 upon 2, this number is in the fraction. Means 1 upon 2 is a proper fraction. But this is a fraction. But this is only number, only 50. So, you can write here 50 upon 1. You can write here 50 upon 1. Why we write here 1? Because if you 50 divided by 1, then your answer is already 50. So we can write here 1. If otherwise you write here 2, 3, 4, 5, then the 50 means the value of 50 is changed. So we write here only 1. Now, we can multiply by two types. How? First we do the multiply by cross multiplication. Cross करके हम कट करते हैं cross, and or we can do the numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Then you can divide. Look at here. First, this number is divisible by 2. If you do the cross multiplication, then both numbers are divisible by same number. Means this number is divisible by 2 1 2, and this number is already divisible by 2. So this is our answer is 25. So answer is 25, because 25 over 25, 1 1 ja 1. Then 25 upon 1 equal, we can write here 25. Here also you can do this type. First we write here 24 upon 1. 1 upon 3 multiply 24 upon 1. So 24 multiply by 1, numerator, we do the multiply by numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 24 multiply by 1 equal 24, and 3 multiply by 1 equal 3 1 ja 3. 3. Now 24 upon 3 is 24 divided by 3. So 3 8 ja 24. Your answer is 8. आप डिवाइड करके देख सकते हैं 24, 3 8 जा 24. Yes, your answer is what it is 8. So you can do this type and you can do this type also. आप दोनों टाइप से कर सकते हैं जो आपको अच्छा लगे. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 1 upon 5 multiply by 100. So we do the cross multiply, means we do here divide, means 5 divided by 5 and 100 divided by 5, means both numbers are divisible by same numbers and we divide here both numbers. यहाँ पे हमने दोनों को डिवाइड किया है सेम नंबरों से और आपको सेम नंबर से ही डिवाइड करना है। यदि आप इसको 5 से कर रहे हैं और इसको आप 2 से या 10 से कर रहे हैं, दैट इट मीन दैट इज रॉन्ग, वह आपका आंसर रॉन्ग है। आपको सेम नंबर से इनको डिवाइड करना है। सो 5 1 जा 5, 5 2 जा 10, 5 0 0 means 20 upon 1 equal answer is 20. Okay my dear students, so and if we do the multiply by 0 any number, your answer is always 0. We do the multiply by 0, so your answer is always 0. Now next question number 7, sorry question number 18 upon 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18 equal 3 and 9 is the numerator and in the denominator 1 and 1. 1 multiplied by 1 equal 1 and 9 3 is 27. The 27 upon 1 equal 27. So we write here only 27. Okay, this is your answer. Now here this step 100 upon 1, you can do 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100, but 25 is greater number, so you can do smallest number also. You can divide 5 5 ja 25 and 5 2 ja 10, 5 0 0, इसको 5 से डिवाइड करिए। अभी both numbers 5 and 20 is divisible by 5, so we write here 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja 20 and the numerator 2 and 4 equal 4 2 ja 8. जब न्यूमरेटर जो बचता है फिर उसका हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे, क्योंकि अब इनको किससे डिवाइड करेंगे? न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर तो डिवाइड करना, न्यूमरेटर टू न्यूमरेटर we do the multiply. So 2 multiplied by 4 equal to 4 is 8. This is your answer and that question is solved. So question number B, my dear students. 4 upon 9 multiplied by 63. You can write here this step. And 9 with the 9. How many times we read the table? 7 times. 9 7 ja 63. And 63 it is cut by 9. 63 divisible by 9. Your remainder is 0. So 4 multiplied by 7 equal 4 7 ja 20. 4 7 ja 28. This is rupees. So write down here rupees 28. Now here 8 1 ja 8, 8 6 ja 48. Okay. Now numerator is 6 and 3, 6 3 ja 18. This is your kilometer. So write down here kilometers. Now question number 5, 7 upon 3 of rupees 300. So 7 upon 3 in the place of we put here the sign of multiply, then rupees 300. So my dear students, 3 1 ja write down upon 1, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3 and double 0 100 and 100 7 ja equal rupees 700. This is your answer, my dear students. Now the next question. Now the question number after sixth question, 2 upon 5 of 550 milliliter. So in the place of we put the sign here 2 upon 5 multiply 550 milliliter. Now Divide it. 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 on the 5, 5 0 0, and 110 multiplied by 2 students. 11 to the 22 and 1 0. This is milliliter. So write here milliliter. 220 milliliters. Now the question number 8, my dear students. 5 upon 4 of 20 centimeter. So 5 upon 4 multiply 20 centimeter. 4 1 the 4, 4 5 the 20. Then 5 5 the 25 centimeter. So my dear students, this exercise is completed. Exercise 4.2. Only 2 questions. First question and this is the question number B. So this exercise is completed, students.